Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming from the digital studios of Market Club. In Q4 2018, is that you? As I sit here and watch the Dow drop over 500 points and the NASDAQ's down over 130, I can't help but think and feel like I've seen this before. Does this feel familiar to you? And if it doesn't, it should, because if you take a look, and we'll start with the S&P 500 here, and we'll open it up to a one-year chart. So we're looking at 10/2/2018 to 10/2/2019. You can see that we're roughly about the same levels, and we'll turn our chart analysis score off here for a second. That you can see currently trading at 2,886.37, down 1.8% on the S&P 500. And if we go all the way back here to October 5th, 4th, 8th, you can see we're roughly about the same levels that we were at the beginning of the fourth quarter in 2018. And we know what happened in that quarter. We had a significant drop, dropping all the way down to the 2,300 level in the S&P 500. So that begs the question, are we going to see this move lower again, or is this just a brief fake out moving forward? Right now, we are trading below the 50-day moving average for the S&P 500 after issuing a red weekly trade triangle at 2,945.53, indicating that we are in a sidelines position with a chart analysis score of -55. So we'll have to see if this trend continues lower. Key level to watch now will be 3,020.74. A move back above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a potential long position for the S&P 500. Look at the US dollar, currently trading at 99.02 with a chart analysis score plus 75, trading well above its 50-day moving average. Our key level to watch remains 97.85. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the US dollar. Dow Jones, currently taking a look at that, issued a red weekly trade triangle at 26,704.96 yesterday, pushing the chart analysis score to -55, indicating that we are in a sidelines position for the Dow Jones now, currently trading and opening well below its 50-day moving average. Currently down 522 points, or 1.97% on the day, trading at 26,050.14, with the 200-day moving average dead in its sights, currently standing at 25,839.85. So we'll have to see if we test that moving through the end of the week. Key level to watch would be 27,306.73. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a potential long position for the Dow. Not to be outdone, the NASDAQ issuing a red weekly trade triangle today at 7,890.28, down 1.1% on the day, trading at 7,769.87 with a chart analysis score -70, indicating that we are now in a sidelines position for the NASDAQ, looking to test its 200-day moving average as well. It stands at 7,708.22. Key level to watch would be 8,243.80. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the NASDAQ. Crude oil continuing its move lower, issuing a red weekly trade triangle on the 30th at 54.38, pushing the chart analysis score to -60. Turn on our daily trade triangles. As you can see, we have a green monthly trade triangle in play, but a red weekly and a red daily, indicating that we are in a short-term short position for crude oil. Currently trading at 52.24, down 3.5% on the day. Key level to watch would be 56.76. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a potential sidelines position for crude oil. Gold bouncing back a bit today, up 1.64% with a chart analysis score plus 75, indicating that we are in a sidelines position for gold, issuing a new green daily trade triangle today at 1,507.20, indicating that we are in that sidelines position now. Key level to watch should be 1,499. A move below that level would issue a red trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short position for gold. And we'll back out of here, take a look at Bitcoin. Currently down about 0.4% on the day. issuing a green daily trade triangle yesterday, trading at 8,236.21. Chart analysis score remains negative 55, indicating that overall we are in a sidelines position for Bitcoin. Key level to watch as we're still sitting here around that 200-day moving average is 7,432.84. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a potential short position for Bitcoin. With that, every success. I'll be back up on Friday to wrap up the week and see where we're potentially heading in the fourth quarter of 2019.